And that year, asemo making be a mobinim. And that year made declare my stance. Now making be a mobinim. Samobakaya in 2019, veteran Ghanaian actor, I friend Pa George videos about Bontain. I will call Obinim Asoria. Obinim Echeno Sika. I think it was around 8,000 CDs or 10,000 or something. I think video no about any year. Obinim che Pa George Sika. Na wache ne sika wie no na Obinim sam so ka che ne se wo be che ne kan na wasan so ache ne dan. Na etiefo eno na stories bi efri mu aba wo hwe se ne Ghana for aba bonten so pa Obinim ma me se da bi Ghana sa de no ye pesa de ne ye dodo. So I will explain the matters and then we will understand. Intino, young concern so. Now say Pa George etna Max TV. Boy interview na work as no. That wasn't the first time I work with Obinim sorry. Or you'll be a member of Obinim sorry or time ko Obinim sorry. But it's that day no. Obinim friend no echen sanyama ni nije. But see later Obinim chen sanyama ni wiye no. A lot of people interviewed him. Na Obinim nankasa Emma Pa George ni hu se wonu Obinim no neni anje hu in the sense se wonu Obinim na che na ade wie no na ke ni kwan se wonu Pa George no wo be ko TV stations and radio stations are guarantee interview on those things, but still Obinim a promise no se wo be che no na ho na ebisa ne se Obinim inyama na wo ka se wo be che no wa che oni na no se car any sika ne de o de amane but edan no wonya emfa man ne ye eno na Ghana fo bi mo asori a tese wo mo ede kasa bi a etia Obinim ewo social media. Me catch say when I went on Twitter, I saw say Obinim was trending at number 1. Na they see and say top blogger I friend Ameya Debra who posts her story no na wo share comment na eda ase na obehu ne say yes the na Ghana for ye no Obinim and ye pen no ayeden edi na tem, but you see ye ne sa entwa ye obi a promise wo bi say wo be che ne car wo be che ne dan wo be che ne ska 3 things and our promise no. Now out of those 3 things no say be yenim say e dan de eni kwan enye say wo sorry ya na bia wa kwa che dan at least e wo say e bia wo si dan no ma ne pakọ na e bia ahase na ne pakọ no wo pe e dan no wo enkom hye we ya ana wo de we mponya enkom hye ade we ya wo bi nim ka say wo be ye ama this particular actor veteran actor no me nya sure class say edi 1 year, but if for nothing at all now Obinim has given him the money and the car inti ade na Ghana for bi mo kasetia Obinim say edan na wo ka say wo be che no just enkrofo pese wo mo ya no mo ka say we there just for public show and not just for public sympathy, because any enim say sisi Ghana no Obinim say be eji uyo bi an be so be ka ne kre ye enim say Obinim no sisi Ghana no ne din so be ka ya golden sense ma Kennedy Japan de tone so the first one no Kennedy Japan ma yeti ase Obinim share da say wo che sa gold for ni sika check wo church nim sana nkrofo be hu ne say Obinim a chomu sika. So people thought that this is also one of those things Obinim na Ghana for akasa keke akase Obinim wa ya de meanwhile e bia na at the back of the whole thing na wonye but you see nanka Obinim ama ni pakoni sika nanka wa ma ne kan na nka no de mo kan ne kran na nka ye beti albe no kran ye beka say bia nanka papa no won to ne bo, but out of 3 things he has done 2. Yes, Remo Ghana for we need to appreciate people what it. The way we feel entitled in this country is too much. Na metie asembia kwekumenu embra na Bishop Benanyako nyamemfa ne krensie ye. Embra Bishop Benanyako ene kuma ne busuafo ne kuma wood enya nsensem no. Kwekumenu eba bonten be kan asembi. Na sa asem na kwekumenu ne kan no eya ne krepa eya ne kre because the kwekumenu e kan ne se eto de bia wo bi aye ne trimu se wo be che uska obeka so ochina me che o ebia 100 cedis ochina bedu no obo sa afa wo be che 100 cedis tikra na adwenya sesa ebia wo bete so akọ 50 and it happens sometimes me to me say oh ebia this month me person me send you be yamfa ne say me person me send you be 500 cedis this month. Obon say ebe through months ending ne be through a me kita scan say me be send ni ba kono pe obon say na afi madwan asesa say oh we dey me send ne 300 na the other 200 no so me fama will be foforo. Inti adoye de sometimes eye dey nkra wadwan asesa, but the fact that nipa kono eyi ne yem aye adoye no you don't even have to feel entitled, because tie one can't tell say wo beche wade na nka your life was still being the same. You find it says how dey na veteran actor no wo ba wo bi ni ma sorry say dey na wo bi ni friend ni be edim ho no one can't tell say wo beche ne car and away nka the way he came he'll be living the same way, but at least out of those three things no wache ne car no asan so ache ni ska no akadan endu 1 year ye mesre Ghana for eni kwan say ye pre ye ho ebu atensa emboa. I keep telling you say there are certain things a Ghana for yankasa ye emma se be wo mu a sika ewo mu nsem no eya na wo mo mpese wo mo de be man krofo eya no mo mpese wo mo beba. There are certain things a Ghana for yankasa ye endim boayen ebi to say wo bi aka se wo beche wade and you don't know from the person what is delaying, because ebia esipen say wo bi aka se wo beche obi ade some month na wo yes wo beche ni pakona ade no ni pakono na ejuma beseye. Do you think that ni pakono betumi akoso acha ade ni biom? No, the person couldn't or the person won't. But to don't say ni pakono de ne benam na wo na wo ka se wo beche mi we na wan fan che me. You see, sometimes you don't even understand what happened. Inti Ghana for na wo mo kasa wo mo use story we edibo obi ni mechi edibo ne chine mesremo three things waye 2 enye ndu 1 year cry edan no enye ndu 1 year ye se wotumi aye 2 na me nka se bia obi ni mo nche dan no ba ye ono akasa na oyi na kome no kasa meche odan ono akasa betumi akasa ye me nche obiom, but enye ndu eye mpo ye ne enim se edan so de enye we sa ati ase ente se ka wo sorry ya na wafa na wo de chesa. So let's wait and see. We kwa de me se meke bia ma obi nim, and this mesramo mo obi ama ye de ye ka obi nim asema na nkrofo aba this person is a fake pastor so don't support him. Yesramo we ye fake pastor nsem bia. If the person is a fake pastor no wo ya de na ye ne krakra, you expect us to say de ne bako na ye na nye? No, I mean we don't do that here. And you see there ebimo eka, even some people they make kind Ghana for bimo kra eka say we there obi ni ma ya there because show na obi did obi ni matem and na obi ebe reply ni pa kono ka say but obi ni has tried. At least he gave Pa George a car and also money in addition as specified in the news, so it is not that bad. So what you say inti na enkrofo use opportunity need na tem na obi kra be ka say but obi ni ma ya there o what's your better odan car any sika wama car no any sika no at least what you say inti eno na obi so the car say I think the old man is looking for more, don't mind him asema will be air can no so wo hu ne say akokra no. And you see Pa George is a veteran mesreno onakasa ne ka say embra will be ni friend ne ba asori de nima wo che na nyama no wo call radio stations ko ono Pa George ko grant interview obi ni meni anje so wonim say obi ni meni anje na wa che o car any sika. So why is it that you also go and say this on TV? Embra wo ka so be che wade ne kan na wo ye interview wo hu ni meni anje nti ende ebia wo say ye ni bloggers and presenters ebia Pa George ne kan no wan kan no bone so ebia ye bisa no sa keke no ka say edan ne de nyamba e ba meji bi say obi nim e de edan ne be ka ho but car no any sika na baba wo hu angle ya the story na fa. So a lot of people, some people, I must say that some people are even supporting Obinim on this, but Ebimo Babonte can say this na real scam. Not just say Obinim ada papa no asema Obin so kanono and Obin so be reply no ka say Charlie, the man has given you a car and money. If the house hasn't come yet, why rush and grant an interview on it? I think the old man could have refused to grant this interview. Obinim is human and this might trigger him not to even give the house. What you say? Nipa kona che car. Ade we ka betumi ama wa ba beje car ne krefi husem. Obeje aye beka say oh obi ni mo say we say but you see ne credit baby a eda yemfa nto. Ye ni na ye to me making promises. Promises na bia say ni later. We go say bibi besi na enye we kra no out of 3 things he has done 2. What you say? Will be asema wode aba ne say don't make promises you can't fulfill. Obi nso asema wode aba no. Will be say if I were to be Obinim, I would take back my car and my money. What sort of greediness is this? Asema will be so air canono. Intino, this is what Ghanaians in someone Ghana for year can. Muncha Margin or comment box for me that say.